Question number 4. A snooker ball of mass 0.2 kg, 0.02 kg has a collision so its direction of movement changes by an angle of 90 degrees as shown. Which means this ball is coming like this, and after collision it is going like this, taking a right angle triangle, this one, turn here. The ball has a speed of 0.4 meter per second per meter per second before the collision, speed of 0.3. Okay, speeds are given over here. What is the magnitude of the change in momentum? Okay, so he is asking you about the change in momentum, and that to the magnitude. I don't need the sign over here. Now, what is momentum? What is momentum? Momentum is nothing but m into v. When I say change in momentum, you should read like this, right? I told you already. Change in momentum, which should now be equal to mv minus mu, right? Now, let us draw the vectors of mv and mu. What is mv? mv should be like this. What is mu? See, plus mu is like this. Minus mu should be opposite direction. This should be your minus mu. This should be your plus mv. Okay, so therefore, now when I say mv minus mu, this is nothing but mv plus of minus mu, right? Which is nothing but resultant of two vectors. So what should I do now? I will write mv like this, and minus mu is like this, so I will write it like this over here. Okay, when I write like this, what is your resultant? Resultant looks like this over here. What is your resultant? So therefore, I want to find the resultant and then remove the negative sign. That's what I need. So towards it, I'll find out what is the resultant. I'll do the calculation here. I'll say P resultant will be equal to mu the whole square plus mv the whole square is square root, because minus mu the whole square becomes mu the whole square. I get this one here. So which should be m into root of u square plus v square. Now it's quite easier to do. What is m here? Mass of the ball. What is the mass of the ball over here? 0.02 kgs. I'll write 0.2 into square root of u square, 0.4 square plus 0.3 square. What is 0.4 square plus 0.3 square? 0.5 square. If you want, you can use your calculator. 0.5 square, Pythagoras here, that's it, nothing else. So which should now be equal to 0.2 multiplied by 0.5. What is this? This should be 2 into 5 is 10. So 1, this is 0.1 over here. So answer should be 0.1 kg meter per second. B should be your answer.